What is the normal temperature of a human body in Fahrenheit? Options are A. 37 degree, B. 98.6 degree, C. 97.6 degree and D. 96 degree. Answer is option B. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. What is the scientific study of bird's egg called? Options are A. Oology, B. Ornithology, C. Zoology and D. Oneirology. Answer is option A. Oology. What is the scientific name of apple? Options are A. Punica granatum, B. Solanum lycopersicum, C. Malus domestica and D. Persea americana. Answer is option C. Malus domestica. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Options are A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Mars and D. Mercury. Answer is option D. Mercury. What is the largest artery in the human body? Options are A. External carotid artery, B. Aorta, C. Axillary artery and D. Radial artery. Answer is option B. Aorta. Name the tallest grass in the world. Options are A. Sugarcane, B. Wheat, C. Bamboo and D. Barley. Answer is option C. Bamboo. What is the normal boiling point of water? Options are A. 100 degrees Celsius, B. 0 degrees Celsius, C. 150 degrees Celsius and D. 50 degrees Celsius. Answer is option A. 100 degrees Celsius. What is the normal melting point of water? Options are A. 100 degrees Celsius, B. 0 degrees Celsius, C. 150 degrees Celsius and D. 50 degrees Celsius. Answer is option B. 0 degrees Celsius. What is the symbol of gold? Options are A. AU, B. AG, C. G and D. GD. Answer is option A. AU. Who proposed the theory of relativity? Options are A. Galileo Galilei, B. Isaac Newton, C. Albert Einstein and D. Stephen Hawking. Answer is option C. Albert Einstein. Which Newton's law is referred as the law of inertia? Options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third and D. Fourth. Answer is option A. First. The rate of change of velocity with time is called options A. Displacement, B. Speed, C. Torque and D. Acceleration. Answer is option D. Acceleration. The scientific study of plants is called options A. Zoology, B. Botany, C. Physics and D. Chemistry. Answer is option B. Botany. Who invented electric bulb? Options are A. Thomas Alva Edison, B. Alexander Graham Bell, C. Galileo Galilei and D. Albert Einstein. Answer is option A. Thomas Alva Edison. What is the atomic number of iron? Options are A. 7, B. 21, C. 26 and D. 36. Answer is option C. 26. Barometer is a scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric dash. Options are A. Pressure, B. Temperature, C. Humidity and D. Quality. Answer is option A. Pressure. Which of the below is not a citrus fruit? Options are A. Lemon, B. Orange, C. Lime and D. Apple. Answer is option D. Apple. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Options are A. Charles Darwin, B. Carolus Linnaeus, C. Robert Hooke and D. Gregor Mendel. Answer is option B. Carolus Linnaeus. What is a group of lions called? Options are A. Pride, B. Streak, C. Sloth and D. Herd. Answer is option A. Pride. Name the galaxy to which the planet Earth belongs. Options are A. Black Eye, B. Andromeda, C. Milky Way and D. Whirlpool. Answer is option C. Milky Way. Which of the below is an allotrope of carbon? Options are A. Diamond, B. Silver, C. Gold and D. Platinum. Answer is option A. Diamond. What is the SI unit for torque? Options are A. Newton, B. Newton meter, C. Meter and D. Pascal. Answer is option B. Newton meter. Which element is known as quicksilver? Options are A. Gold, B. Aluminium, C. Iron and D. Mercury. Answer is option D. Mercury. How many teeth does an adult human have? Options are A. 20, B. 28, C. 32 and D. 36. Answer is option C. 32. What does the C stand for in Einstein's equation E equal to mc square? Options are A. Constant, B. Kinetic energy, C. Candela and D. Speed of light. Answer is option D. Speed of light.